Hey guys, Rena Williams here of CoachRenaWilliams.com. And I don't know, is it me or have you noticed also that how fast the world is changing, how fast the internet is changing? You know, what used to be considered traditional jobs are just about almost obsolete now. So today I want to share some information with you about a gig directory that offers over 50 different ways to make money from home. Because if you are not on the internet these days making some type of income, you're going to get left behind because this thing is moving fast. The internet is moving so fast. The world is changing so fast. So I want to offer you this gig directory that will share with you over 50 different ways that you can make money from home, and you would choose the one that works best for you. So enter your information below, click on the link and request the gig, and all you would do is put in your information, and then you will listen to someone on a video that's about 15 minutes long. He will share with you how this gig directory works and how the gigs actually work. He will explain it all, and you will find out why you should listen to him because he has some great credentials, and he will share with you how to get started and how to choose the one that's best for you. So enter your information, request the over 50 gigs directory today and get started. I mean, if you're looking to make money online, anywhere from 100 to 300, even $500 per day, request a gig. Now, this is ideal for retirees. It's great for students, someone that's working part-time, stay-at-home moms and dads, newbies online, or even seasoned entrepreneurs, because it will help you to create some additional income. So request the information and get started on how you can start making some good income from home in your spare time by going through this over 50 gig directory. Okay, do it today, enter your information, because if you're not online and if you're not making money, you're going to get left behind because the world is changing so fast. So request your gig directory today and get started. Enter your information. You should find a link in the video, in the description, somewhere on this page. So get started, and you'll be so happy you did. Request your gig directory today, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye now.